Hey guys, it's Ty Tech here, and I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Tzumi 5191WM 3-axis gimbal. I bought it, it's about $100 brand new. I bought it used for about $30. Let's unbox this puppy real quick. Ooh. Hit my camera real quick. Boom. Lots of bubble wrap. Ooh. Well, that's it. I got it in the colorway black. Tzumi. I bought it used. Actually looks pretty brand new, actually. Looks in really good shape, to be honest. Look at that. Flip it over. Yeah. About 100 brand new. Bought it used off eBay for $30. So it's a pretty easy W in my book. Screw this in real quick. But yeah. Just focus here real quick. Looks really good to me. But maybe I'll do a review on it after a month or so. But just a quick unboxing of the Tzumi 3-axis gimbal for smartphones. So there it is. Here's just a quick test of me using the Tzumi 3-axis gimbal real quick. There's a lot of bees all around my plants in my front yard, so I thought it'd be a pretty good idea to take a quick video of how smooth and buttery this gimbal is.